All right, welcome to my beat making session. It's Dame the Real Productions, and we're just gonna come up with something out the blue. So first, we're gonna start by looking up some samples. I got some samples and from Tool Room artist TFP pack. It came with something that I bought back in the day. Can't remember what it was, but without further ado, here we go. So let's go through the samples. Yeah, this one sounds like nah, hold on. Yeah, this one is kind of inspiring. I like it. Yeah, so what we're gonna do here is just loop this. It's gonna be a 4-bar loop. Put my looping on with the plus sign. So you gonna play. Yeah, I didn't have the my actual record quantization on, nor my metronome. So 16 note metronome. Let's do this again. Okay. Okay, so we got something from the B tools once again. A guy shot. kick drum. This kick drum needs a little bit of, it's like some clipping noise in the kick drum. Give it a little bit of bass effect to it. Just clip in a little bit. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I'm gonna lay this down. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that down a little bit, and we're gonna do our loop. Then let's see what else we could, maybe like a snare. I'm gonna need to take it from another kit. I'll take the snare from this Castle kit. Gotta find that one. All right, this is the standard, 808 slapping snare. We'll do this one. Then the snare is not standing out, so yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use a different one. So instead of doing it all over again, I just move it up. Then we could use a filter this side. Okay, so then now we need to find like a bass. Nice little bass. Bass sounds. Where can I go for nice bass sounds? So much sounds everywhere. Let's see. Use the library. Drums. Sounds. Maybe I could just need a sub. Well, we'll try the drone. It's gonna be something different. Something different. Might have to tweak that, but it's gonna be something different. Sounds like, oh yeah, keep messing it up. It's only 3 notes. All right, let's go. So I think next up we could find like a complementing melody, something to complement it. We'll just grab it from a VST. Oops, can't do that. Oh, let's try heat up 3. Heat up 3 for something, and then so we could just do a harp. Yeah, we'll try some pianos. We'll gotta load. concept. Okay, that's cool. So there you go. There you have it. Just the full uncut journey, making a beat out of nowhere, no plans, no nothing, just doing it. So let me hit save on this. And then we got it all locked down. But other than that, thanks. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and see you next time on the next video. Peace.